Kids, now we are coloring 2D shapes. First we are using and mixing the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, first we are coloring the shape of star. Now we are using the color of blue and coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. We are again using the color of blue and coloring the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is square, the shape of square. Now we are mixing and using the color of red. Kids, now we are using the color of red and coloring the shape of square. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is triangle. Now we are coloring the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is circle. Now we are using the color of green. Now we are mixing and using the color of green and coloring the shape of circle. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the last one is trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid. We are again using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.